In this video, I will show you how data lineage works in Fynapse, how to set up the journal line definition to make understanding the link between a journal in the ledger and an event in a source system easy, and also how to track a business event through the accounting engine. By the end, you'll understand the best practice around how to set up the journal line definition and how to track journals back to source and through the system. So if we hop into Fynapse, first place I'm going to go is to the File Ingestion screen. And so I've loaded in one event file here, and I can see I've loaded in 32 business events, which are going to create a number of journals. And if I hit this Open Journals button on the right-hand side, it's going to link me through to the journals table, and I'll see all journals created by the system. So here I can see the 76 rows created by those business events. And what I've done is I've added in some optional fields. I've added in source system ID, and also event type, posting component type, posting code to make tracking the data back to source, but also to make tracking the data through the system easy. So let's start off by grouping on source system and source system ID. So now the system has sort of dynamically grouped, and what I can see is I've got data within this file that's come from the training system, and there are a set of source system IDs contained within. Got 1, 2, up to 10, and then it's going to continue onwards. And we can see some of the events have created just a single credit debit pair. Some of these have created 2 credit debit pairs. So if I wanted to track back to the specific row in this file or into the source system, I know that this came from my training system and it's got a source system ID against it. I've opened this screen from the file ingestion, but if I wanted to just start off in my journal screen and track it back to the specific ingestion in, if I click this button here against ingestion ID, it will show me specifically the file that the journal was created via. And when I open up that file, source system and source system ID will be a very quick way to sort of get back to the specific row within the file. Now, if we wanted to view this in a different way, let's just reset the filters. This time I want to track it through our accounting engine. So I'm going to group by event type, by posting component type, by posting code. And so I can see that these journals are created by event type being equal to one.purchase. It'll have gone through the posting component type inventory purchase, and it will found the posting code accounts payable. And then the debits, credits have hit the specific accounts sort of mapped within that logic. So let's remember this: purchase, inventory purchase, payable. And if we move over to the Accounting Rules Navigator, we can follow that through. So here we've got our purchase event, our inventory purchase, and then our accounts payable. And so we've tracked the specific logic through. There is some additional things going on within this example where we're doing the routing based upon sub-event, line of business, and department. But we can easily see the key points: the posting component, the posting code, and the event type that these event and these journals will have used. So that is a quick look at how to set up your journal definition to bring through important concepts such as source system ID, and also some of the derived attributes in the accounting engine to make tracking the journal back to source system or tracking the route of the journal through the accounting engine simple. Thank you.